Say Nadra. Say Mama. Say Marmy. Say Kiki. Say Mimi. Say Evie. Say Claircy. Say Zayna. Say Robert. Say Papa. Say Daddy. Say Michael. Say Grandy. Say Grandma. Say Sarah. Say Nadra. Say Badron. Say brother. Yeah.
Say Grandy. Okay, we'll just take that as say Pap. Say Nana.
Say Itty Bitty. Say Trenton.